welcome back to my new vlog. Today is 9th Feb. Hope you all are doing well. If you are new around here, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, comment down. Let's start the vlog. Thank you for the lovely response, guys. Appreciate it. As for the day is concerned, we have got the classes as usual, and as badly I required a haircut. I will do this today. As for the match is concerned between India and England, England were bowled out for 178. India came into bat. They were in little bit trouble. As per it was 39 for 1. It's day 5. We hope it will be a good day for India. India can save this test match by playing whole day. Yeah, we look for the best. For now, I am going to have a quick shower. As then Shubham and Vinay will join us to have a cup of tea. Let's see how it goes. See you guys after some time. Yes guys, it's almost 9. We had a breakfast. Now we are going to college. There's only 3 classes to go. Let's go. I start to take one. Okay guys, we have completed our classes. 2 more classes to go in the afternoon. Yes, now we will have our lunch. And yeah, as per the match is concerned, India are in a bad situation. Yes, India are in a bad situation. They are around 179 for 7. Virat Kohli is still batting on around 60 plus. Yes. See, let's see can save this match or not. Welcome back. It's around 4 in the afternoon. Yes, we have completed our classes. Now we will have some cup of tea. Let Mandar and Vinay arrive. Then we have a cup of tea. As per the match is concerned, yes, India have lost. England have won the match by 227 runs. India were bowled out almost 178 all out. Yes, it was a tough day for India. We know how India are capable of. They will come back very strong. Very strong. Let's hope for the best. Yes, let's continue rest of our day. Yes guys, it's around 9. Yes, we had a lunch. That's all for today's vlog. As India have lost today, they will come back very strong. That's all for today's vlog. Hope you all enjoyed the vlog. If you are new around here, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment down. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.